G'day, here's one of those deals that you don't normally see, or I'm able to get. Usually the miners want to cut it and just sell the cut stones that feel it's too much of a gamble, but I've managed to get this little deal for you. I hope you enjoy looking at it. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. I guess this is the first piece you want to look at. You can see there's a little hole of clay there. I think it probably wants to be cut across there, cut into two stones. In the flesh it's a bit of a dead spot there in the middle, perhaps, I think. But that's Lightning Ridge opal colour for you, isn't it? That's the back. It's on fairly black base. Bit of clay there in the end again. That's the first bit. Nearly get your money back or in that first piece, I think. Black base. One side, that's the bottom, which I think will probably be the bottom of the stone. Next bit, peters out on this side, as you can see. But you can probably use that as a guide of the size of the stone, which is still oops, sorry, off the screen, about 10 mil. So it's going to be like a 10 by 8 or something like that, perhaps. Just depends on if it's got any clay or anything in it. The last piece, bit of a gamble, but might go through there further, you don't know. I always price the deals on what you can see, not what might be. I've had not a lot of people, but some people say, "Oh mate, the real colour's inside." Well, don't fall for that. You have to judge a piece on what you can see. In this case, it might only go to there, judging on the colour bar going through there. So where that clay is, that's what the deal's been priced on. Doesn't look like there's much else, but saying that, don't give up. Cut this off a couple of times. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed.